Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will talk about the importance of introducing library to support learning process. Give your attention, please. A library is fundamentally an organized set of resources, which include human service as well as the entire spectrum of media, like text, video, or hypermedia. Libraries have physical components such as space, equipment, and storage media, intellectual components such as collection policies that determine what material will be included, and organizational schemes that determine how the collection is accessed. And people who manage the physical and intellectual components and interact with us to solve information problems. Library serve at least three roles in learning. First, they serve a practical role in sharing expensive resource. Physical resource is such as books and periodical, film and videos, software and electronic database, and specialized tools such as projector, graphic, equipment, and camera as shared by a community of users. Human resources librarians, also called media specialists or information specialists, support instructional program by responding to the request of teacher and student. Responsive service, and by initiating activities for teachers and student. Proactive service. Responsive service include maintain reserved materials, answering reference question, providing bibliographic instruction, developing media packages, recommending books or film, and teaching user how to use materials. Proactive service include selective dissemination and information to faculty and students, initiating thematic event, collaborating with instructors to plan instruction, and introducing new instructional methods and tools. In this way, libraries serve to allow instructors and students to share expensive material and expertise. Second, libraries have a cultural role in preserving and organizing artifacts and ideas. Great work of literature, art, and science must be preserved and made accessible to future learners. Although libraries have traditionally been viewed as facilities to print artifacts, primary and secondary school libraries often also serve as museums and laboratories. Libraries preserve objects through careful storage procedure, policies of borrowing and use, and repair and maintenance as needed. In addition to preservation, libraries ensure access to material through indexes, catalogs, and other finding aids that allow learners to locate items appropriate to their needs. Third, libraries serve social and intellectual roles in bringing together people and ideas. This is distinct from the practical role of sharing resources in the library provide a physical place for teachers and learners to meet outside the structure of the classroom. This allowing people with different perspectives to interact in a knowledge space that is both larger and more general than that shared by any single discipline of affinity group. Browsing a catalog in a library provides a global view for people engaged in special study and offer opportunities for serendipitous insight or alternative view. In many respects, libraries serve as center of interdisciplinary pleasure by learning from all disciplines. Digital libraries extend such interdisciplinarity by making diverse information resources available beyond the physical space shared by group of learners. One of the greatest benefits of digital libraries is bringing together people with formal, informal, and professional learning missions. The purpose of library activities is to foster user interest in reading, introduce information technology, familiarize access to information independently, and foster user talent and interest. When viewed in relation to the teaching and learning process in the school library provides a very valuable contribution in an effort to increase student activity and improve the quality of education and teaching. Judging from its role, the library is a partner for students in learning, providing guidance, education to students in using libraries and information search. Providing up-to-date information, preparing study rooms, discussion, and research. In essence, the library is a source of learning available from various learning resources in the school environment. From the brief description above, it can be ascertained that learning activity in the school environment need to be supported by adequate facilities. These include the school library, which function as a source of student learning. As a learning resource, the school libraries has a very important role and function. The function of the library will run well if it gets support from related parties, namely policy makers at the departmental level, regional level, school level, like principals, teachers, and library managers, so that the essence of library is as a learning resource center is achieved. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.